Netizens! Welcome to our channel! This is another episode of Micah Talk! As mentioned in our favorite transformation video, I was born premature, which is the cause of my speech disability. That's why I really appreciate you guys for still watching our video. Even though it is very hard to understand me. Anyway, for this episode, I'd like to show you another low-budget way of transforming yourself into another character. Last time I showed you how to transform yourself into Pennywise. A link to this episode can be found at the end of this video. Please watch it as well. This time I will show you how to transform into Gollum, one of the most popular characters in the Lord of the Rings movie. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start our Gollum transformation! My precious!
What's it saying, my precious, my love? Smeagol losing his nerve.
No, not never. Smeagol hates nasty habits. If Smeagol wants to see them, then
And we will. Smeagol did it once. He can do it again.
it's all out. We must get the treasure. We must get it back.
Patience. Patience, my love. First, we must lead them to her.
We lead them to the winding stair.
Yes, the stairs, and then
Up, 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 up. The stair we go. And then come to the tunnel.
and when they go in, there's no coming out. She's always hungry. She always needs to feed. She must eat. All she gets is filthy old.
And they doesn't take very nice that they praise you.
No, not very nice at all, my love. She hungers for sweeter meats, hobbit meat, and when she throws away the bones and the empty clothes, then we will find it.
And take it for me.
For us.
Yeah, women for us.
Gollum! Gollum!
We want it. We need it. We must have the friendship. They stole it from us. Sneaky little habit. We can treat them. No, not master. Just pray to friends. They will teach you how you lie. Master, my friend, you don't have any friend. Nobody like you. Not listening. I'm not listening. You're a liar and a thief. No. Murderer. Go away. Go away. I hate you. I hate you. What would you be without me? Gollum, Gollum. I said that it was me. We survived because of me. Not anymore. What did you say? Master, look after us now. We don't need you. What? Leave now and never come back. No! Leave now and never come back. Leave now and never come back. We told him to go away. And away he go. Praise you. Gone, gone, gone. It's me, God, please. So that ends our Gollum transformation. I hope you have fun, netizens. A very happy Halloween. know if there is a character that you would like me to do a transformation video. Not a necessarily a Halloween character. It could be anyone that you like. Kindly put in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share it. Please subscribe to our channel so you get notified when we have a new video. We also have a current giveaway. Make sure that you join. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.